Three-tiered cupcake stand featuring Lightning McQueen and Cruz from Disney's Cars 3. Assembled stand holds up to 24 cupcakes. 11.75 in x 16 in, 29, 8 cm by 40, 6 cm. Includes topper with car on each side. Made in China. Top reviews from the United States. Nice. This was a lovely little cupcake holder. I made box funfetti cupcakes for my son's birthday and they were a hit among his brothers and sister. I was able to put 24 cupcakes on the stand. I also made homemade buttercream frosting and I didn't superload the cupcakes so they were nice and small to fit on the stand. Overall, I'm super satisfied with this purchase.